So in last class, what exactly we have discussed? Max, min, duplicate, concat. I think duplicate we have not discussed yet.
Min, max,
Duplicate I have not done. According to what I remember, duplicate is not done, I guess. Finding if duplicate count is not complete.
Count is not necessary, but not.
What is coming?
Returning some values.
I'll check that. But according to program, I believe it is right only. So with respect to that, if you are having an issue, what output you are getting?
Just return some values. Count as 1, 2, 3, 4.
Some garbage value it is. Okay. Fine. That might be you would have not declared it, or you would have declared it, but you would have not assigned some value, or otherwise you have written a condition in such a way the written statement, the loop, whatever you have written, that is not working. Outside that, whatever written statement you have written, that is working. It's quite simple. I'll check with that later. Okay. So keeping that aside, before I start, just want to take a small amount of time from your schedule, just to make sure something else. Say, I understand that those who are attending data structure classes regularly, I can see that you are able to answer many things. Okay, that part is fine. Data structure, you keep it aside. And programming, recently I've started. So not much idea for myself whether you are understanding or not, because as and when I progress, then I'll get it. But what happened with respect to Java? Yesterday, of course, it was on, funny basis, or it was just a joke part. Jokes apart, my point is, are you guys understanding or not? Because if you're not understanding and if you're stuck, when you're understanding, why you're not able to answer? I will tell some of you. I cannot take only one person's answer here. So my point here is that if you are not able to answer, the reason would be only one: revision. Say, hardly, if I have to ask, it does not mean that I have not taken core Java. If you want, you can ask from others. I have taken. According to that, if I have to speak also, max to max in core Java, what is that? Oops concept will come later. Before that, data types, arrays, strings, data types, arrays, strings, methods. I mean types of methods, method overloading. Keeping that. Proceeding with next concept, encapsulation. And if I have to speak in encapsulation, what is that? Private keyword, setters, getters, constructor, shadowing problem, that is this keyword, constructor, as I've already told, max to max this much only, I believe. Okay, it will cover most of your encapsulation part, that is constructor chaining, local chaining, super keyword, this keyword, super method call, this method call. Super keyword is also there, which you have not gone through it. Super keyword is gone through. Super method, super keyword would have not gone through. According to concept, it will come later at last. Okay. And before that, you would have gone through static keyword concept. Okay. In static also, what max is there? For static variable, which is the example that has been considered? Farmer? Loan? For static variable example, one example program would be there, right? Which program? Loan? No,
Whereas,
for you guys, I remember because I only have taken. No? For others, I'm asking. For static variable, no program is given.
Just to be executed exam
Okay.
in real time where we use.
Okay. What is the purpose of static variable?
Static variables are like instance variables that you would have studied.
Enough.
Whenever class is loaded,
you won't repeat it. You save memory.
So for that, what example is considered I'm asking?
You save memory.
Your answer I know. By default, whatever answer you will tell also I know. Okay, your part I'm not checking one. If it's 19, 18, sorry, if it's 19, 20, these values. What is going on? I mean, example, if I ask you, you are thinking. Application will leave it. Real time, I mean, asking one example would have taken and for the same one program also would have been written. Is it not there? Either it should be yes or it should be no. तो कौन सा प्रोग्राम है? तो सैंपल प्रोग्राम होगा. एक ही प्रोग्राम में शायद स्टैटिक वेरिएबल, नॉन स्टैटिक वेरिएबल, स्टैटिक ब्लॉक, नॉन स्टैटिक ब्लॉक, स्टैटिक मेथड, नॉन स्टैटिक मेथड, वो वाला. तो कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है उसमें, क्या कर रहा है वो प्रोग्राम में, क्या है? कीवर्ड्स है, वेरिएबल्स है, ब्लॉक है, मेथड्स है, सही है. नहीं, वो कॉन्सेप्ट है, हम पूछ रहे हैं मतलब वो एग्जांपल में क्या यूज किया है, मतलब कुछ ना कुछ तो लिखा होगा ना, कुछ एग्जांपल के हिसाब से ही लिखा होगा प्रोग्राम ऐसे ही कुछ भी नहीं लिखता है ना. फाइन, जो भी है, it is fine. Whatever has been done according to that, if you have understood well and good. Simple thing if I have to say, after encapsulation, inheritance, abstraction, sorry, polymorphism, and then comes abstraction, and then comes your interface, exception handling, multi-threading, collections. Okay, if you cover this much, core Java is finished. My point is, simple example you take it. If you ask me any concept now for me to explain, I can explain it. Getting my point? My point for you guys is why you guys are not able to remember. Practice, fine. I understand. Okay. But as I am telling you, see, class is important, you should attend it. But at the same time, one more thing you should keep it in mind. In the process of attending the classes, if you don't revise, the classes are also waste. Because from beginning you are attending data structure, aesthetics concept you remember today, but day one concept you forgot. Does it make sense at least? Never. So please understand, just by attending classes, you're not going to do anything. Simply, if I ask you, today I'll give you one concept of, Java, whatever has been done in class. You tell me which concept you are confident. I'll ask questions on same. Can you answer? Typecasting is done. Either it should be yes or it should be no. So my question, if I assign, if I consider one byte type variable, okay, and if I consider double type variable, okay, and I'll assign the value as 129.45, okay, and I'll typecast that double type variable to byte type, and I'll store it in B. What will be the value of B? Number only, but how much? 129.45 I'm giving for double. Then it will be very good. 129.45 is the double variable's value. Double type A equals to 129.45. Okay. And byte type B equal to whatever value of A is there, typecast it to byte and then store it in B. What will be the value of B? My question. You'll get the output.
120.
At least you are up to that part.
Yes.
And you guys 129. Wow. What is the range of byte?
1 minus 70. 27. Minus 128 to 130.
So from where 129 came then? In interview also, they will give same code snippet. And with full Josh, you will answer the same, that is 129.
Minus 127.
You will get the output as minus 127. It will come in reverse way. Not explained.
Only explicit and implicit. Reverse.
ठीक है, तो check कीजिए जो भी है. So I just want to tell this much to all of your revision. Even if it is told and if you don't revise, it will not help you. Just remember this much. Okay, sir, I am attending classes. Well, great. I understand you are giving your time, you are giving your best. But you are attending classes, that much you are understanding. From beginning, you are forgetting. Today, whatever I have done, see, it is a huge content. When I say just OOPS concept, it takes somewhere around 2 to 4 weeks for explaining that itself. But still, each and every with the program, if I can say, why not possible for you? Getting it? It is all about interface. Is it done? No. But you know. If you know also, that is different story. However, please check in how easiest way you can remember. There will be easiest way for remembering everything. Ultimately, if I have to consider one simple thing, simple logic, you will think that you've grown up so much, so you will not follow old stuff. But old ways are the one which will help you even today. You don't recognize that. If you remember in your childhood, if you want to remember alphabets, what they have done? For you to make it easy to remember, they have told one characters. I mean, one words I can say. A for apple. It is not that you should learn apple there. You should learn alphabets there. But for you to remember that, they have given some other thing. Getting my point? So whenever in interview, just a suggestion here, I don't wanted to take this part because my part today is for taking data structures. But however, I came to know that there is some, it is not issue again. Of course, it was a jovial part, it was fun part, entertainment. Keeping it aside, whenever at any point of time, anyone may ask, getting it, you should be ready. You cannot say that, sir, I need 1 day time, I'll prepare and come. Then all these days, what you are doing? All these days, what you are doing? Simple question. Yesterday, I had good sleep. Slept for 8 hours. No, 10 hours you slept. Then less than that, I cannot believe. Really, less than that will you sleep? Hard to believe, 10 hours properly, if it is not happening, I'll say 8 to 7. I mean, 7 to 8 hours, so for sure you will make it somehow. Either in morning you will do, or afternoon you will do, or evening you will do. Somehow 7 to 8, so you will do it. Then how many hours all of you are sleeping? Only 3 hours. 4 hours. Less than that. Hard to believe. So please make it in your mind. See, of course, sleep is important, enjoying friends, this, everything is important. But more than all this, or otherwise everything is there, but you don't have a job. Will you be able to enjoy all this? 100%. So please remember this much and try to work on it. As I'm already telling you, see, of course, today it is holiday, right? Even I could have gone for home, or otherwise anyone from our team, they could have gone for home. Okay, if any day class is there, I'll be here. Because more than this, definitely, as soon as you reach at least half of the core Java is completed, OOPS concept is completed, or interface is completed, immediately you will be given with interview opportunities. But are you in a condition to clear programming? Nothing extra I'm doing in programming class, which you should be knowing already. but you don't know, fine. My point is that as soon as I finish this, in a similar way, I'll take that classes also. Programming class also, I'll try to extend. Why? The reason is, as soon as you finish it, whatever opportunities you will get, you will be able to clear. Okay, you keep waiting. Your juniors will start coming. I think already your juniors also passed out, right? Some of you are already from 22 pass out, and you continue. Okay, till now they would be waiting for results, that, this, etc. things, and now they will start coming for institutes, or they will come to market. If they're coming for market, which means your openings, they will be snatching. It was quite obvious. If you are also there and new pass out is also there, more or less they will give opportunity for recent pass outs. Why to give for old ones? So keep that in your mind. You have very less time. You want to do it at the earliest, do it. No, sir, we don't want to do. You just tell us, sir, we need this sort of help. We need these classes. We don't know this, you do this. We need revision, whatever it is. Just let us know. And if it does not happen, then you check. Then whatever you say will do. Getting it? As if, as soon as class is finished, everyone want to go for PG, or those who are in online, they just want to disconnect and peacefully rest. Do you have so much time? Are you left with so much time? If it is yes, then I'm not questioning for you. If your answer is yes, I'm not asking for you. If your answer is no, I'm asking for you definitely. Okay, you don't have so much time left, so keep that also in your mind and work on it. By going to PG, hardly. Those were offline, because you could have sat here. I have seen multiple candidates here. There were some candidates who used to sit from morning to evening here itself. Every day I'll be here at least till 8 o'clock. Okay, and morning at what time I'll come? As usual. You guys know your class only will be the first class, 8 o'clock. Okay, morning 8 to 8. When we are there, what is the problem for you guys to stay here? Because after going to PJ, what kind of environment will be there? You also know. Very good environment will it be there? I don't think so in PG. What kind of environment will be there? You will only feel that after having food, even if you think I'll go to office or I'll study today, what you will feel? No, let me sleep. Quite obvious. That is the reason I say have less food. How much ever less it is possible means just for survival, how much ever is required, that much you have. Sir, we are getting, we'll have, we'll sleep. That should not be the case, because it is creating problem for you only. Today you will have, stomach full of food, but tomorrow when you don't have job, same food, everything is same. You will not feel to eat also. You will not feel to eat it one time in a day. Check it. Later, some of you will realize it also. By this time, already some of them would have realized, but some will take time, but definitely you will realize. Better than going to that stage. Okay, I'm trying to tell it today itself, please wake up. If you don't sleep for 1 or 2 months, nothing will happen. I'm not saying continuously leave sleep. Study, sleep, how much ever is necessity, that much. So 8, 10, 12. That should not be the case. Okay, in our management only. In BGS management itself, there are some people who will sleep for 2 hours. Okay, I need not take name here and I'm not trying to praise them, but I'm just giving you an example. When they can do, when we can do, why can't you? And being frank, you should do more than that. Why? Why? You are in need of job, not us. Today, if we want to attend any interview, clear it is just matter of time. It is just like a cakewalk. Attend anything, they will give one coding round, clear. They will ask one technical round, clear. Yeah. But are you in a condition to clear any one of these confidently? Confidently to no. You can do it, that is different, but confidently to no. Again, I'm telling those who are thinking that clearing an interview and getting a job is so difficult. Let me tell you, interview is more or less just like, how confidently you project yourself. Getting it? Today, if I say that I'll be taking your Java classes, okay, you assume that you don't know me. You know only me only when I'm taking data structure classes. If I come today, you don't know that I used to take Java classes, you assume. And all of a sudden I'll say that I'll take your Java classes. Will you believe or not? If I say in one go, you have seen my data structure classes. Okay, after seeing data structure classes, if I say that, I'll be taking your Java classes also. What you will think, will I be able to take it or not? Definitely you will think that I will be able to take. What is the reason? Because you have seen data structure classes. Yes or no? That level of confidence, that's it. Simple thing. In interview also do the same thing. I'm not saying that I am doing it. If I want to take, I can take it. Okay, don't think that I'm just bluffing or something. I'm just trying to say in interview, how you project yourself, they will believe the same. You project you are nervous, you project that you don't know, you're lacking with confidence, you're lacking with knowledge, then they will also think the same because you are only the reason, right? You are showcasing that you are lacking with confidence. Then they will think that you are lacking with confidence. When you can be confident? When you have knowledge properly. When knowledge can be proper, when you revise it properly. Okay, after teaching any concept, if you don't revise, it is of no use. Remember this. Minimum, if I have to roughly take an example, I have taken Java for almost around 30 plus batches, complete Java. 30 plus batches if I consider, rough idea, if I consider also. If I leave for 3 months, I'll forget Java. If I leave for 3 months, I will forget Java. Getting my point? After doing 30 batches, then what you have done? Have you done 40 batches? No, right? First time you are doing. Then definitely you will also forget. Simple tactics, of course, I'm getting diverted. But anyways, whatever time slot is allocated, that I'll manage. You need not think. Simple thing if I have to say, first day. Okay. Today, if you sit and if you think that you want to study complete Java, till now you have not revised. One time also you have not revised Java. Today, you just attended class. Tomorrow there is an interview. Today you want to sit and study. How much time it will take? To remember, to understand everything. Sometimes it's happened that you can't even finish that by tomorrow. Not sometime, most of the time it happens that you can't even finish it. Yes. But assume that on first day, whatever has been done, you have revised. On second day, you revised first days and second days. Third day, 1, 2, 3. Fourth day, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth day, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 30th day, 1 to 30th. How much time it will take for you to revise completely? Max to max 1 hour. Why? Because on a daily basis you are revising. See, you may think that, sir, these are many people used to say the same thing for us, but did you follow? Many people used to say the same thing for you, your college lecturers or your parents or your friends, anyone. But did you follow? So you guys are here today. So you guys are here. You do the same thing here also. But where you will go, you think. During your college days, some of you would have failed in, some of less percentage in your 10th, you would have told that I'll make it up in intermediate. Some of you would have scored less in intermediate, you would have told that you will make it in engineering or graduation. There also you scored less. Some of you, meanwhile, you would have told that I'll get the job and I'll prove it. Yes. So for getting that job, you joined here. Here also you do the same thing. Then what reason you will give? Will you say that I'll do another course and prove it? After this course, many institutes are there. You can go there. So what is the benefit for you? You guys don't know. If there are 400, 500 people in a session, see, if you have observed, any one person asks any doubt, I'll try to clarify it.
Yes.
Be it online or offline. To my best, I'll try to do it. But if you have an idea in other institutes, how much will be the count? Any idea? 400, 500. Will you be able to ask doubt in front of those 400, 500? Assuming you will ask also. Okay. Will you be able to explain? Or if you'll keep listening to each one, 400 out of 400, 10% people will ask doubt also. Means 40 people. Yes. Yes or no? Will you be able to clarify 40 people's doubt in a day? So think what you should do. Getting my point? See, any sort of help, open. You guys are open for it. Just ask, get it done, but get the job at the earliest. See, if I'm saying all this, of course, a concern about you will be there, but I hardly bother about you. I bother about your family, your parents. Their hard-earned money, right? You're just spending it however you want. For that, I bother, not really for you. Because ultimately, one day you will suffer, you will understand. Basically, I have that habit wherein, if you're not listening to me, I let you to do whatever you want. One fine day you will suffer, then you will come back. Then you will understand. Okay, I'll try to teach you. You don't listen, time will teach you. But if time teaches you, it will be very bad for you to digest. Better than that, try to understand, try to do whatever is required. Suggestion. No, sir, I don't want to listen to. No issues, don't listen. Simple. I'm not trying to scare you or something. I'm just trying to give you an idea. Sir, all these things I already know. Then very good, don't listen. Simple. Okay. However, I'm so sorry for getting diverted off the topic, but I believe all of you understood what I'm trying to say.
Yes.
Okay. So next, all of you keep one, goal in your mind at least. Whatever coding round you will get, you should be able to clear that at least. Because if you clear that aptitude, I'll not speak because basically I'm big zero in aptitude. I mean, mathematical aptitude, quantitative. Technical, so I can manage, I can clear it. But coding, surely I can say, however I do, I'll clear it. By hook or crook, I'll ensure that I'll clear it. Okay, whatever test cases they give. See, ultimately, it is all about if you understand what is happening in that program, writing the same logic, if you understand, implementing the same in program is just a child's game. You just have to think. Your mind has stopped working.
Yes.
You'll feel that you are thinking, but no. Okay, whenever you keep thinking every day, then only it can improve. Okay, so please keep it in mind. At least you should be capable enough to clear coding. Because in technical, nothing much. Whatever you know, you just have to reciprocate it or reproduce it as it is. There is no much changes in that. But coding around is not something like that. Okay, of course there might be n number of shortcut ways, but again, if there is something where they're checking nowadays online, it is happening fine, well and good. But any day if it starts happening offline, throughout the career, no one will be there. As of now, someone is there. Tomorrow, they might be there, they might not be there. So be prepared. I'm not trying to say anything else. Definitely, we will be there to help you until and unless it is required. But you be prepared. Getting my point? Rather than depending on anyone, if you are ready, then it will definitely help you, is my suggestion. Clear?
Yes.
Great then. Keeping all that aside now, come back to topic. Here if it is your head. Okay, head is pointing to one node, that is pointing to another, and another. This will be your none. 50, 40, 20, 20. Some of you will be like, sir, you have written wrong. Not always right, but at least if I'm writing, I'll think and write. Okay. So now here, what is the program all about?
Find the duplicate.
This one should be removed. Simple thing is, this node should be removed. Why it should be removed? I'm not counting it.
Finding duplicate.
Not finding duplicate, removing duplicate. I'm trying to remove this because it is duplicate. Getting my point?
Yes.
And again, when it can work, whenever the list is sorted.
Yes.
Okay, if you observe, the list is sorted. then only you will get repeated elements one beside the other, right? Assume that I will tell there are n number of people. Okay, I want to check if duplicates are there or not. Then first what I'll do? Randomly, Naveen person is standing in the beginning, Naveen person is standing in the last. Should I compare everyone? No. I will say stand according to your first letter of your alphabet. Then what will happen? Definitely Naveen and Naveen will come one beside the other. Yes or no? Because I'm sorting it in ascending order, or you do descending order. In any of these cases, Naveen and Naveen will come one beside the other. In a similar way here also. If the elements are random, then it is really difficult to develop the logic. Okay. Sorting, okay. I'm so sorry. See, sorting is more or less like arranging in some order. Okay, if you want to arrange it, now I will give the elements randomly like 10, 50, 40, 20, 20. It is randomly arranged. Okay, I'll arrange it according to one order. That is ascending order, I'll arrange. Then what will be the output? 10, 20, 20, 30, 40, 50, whatever it is. Like that. Means in one order, it will get arranged. That is all about sorting. Okay, and sorting concept I have not taught you at, that I'll taught you later. Okay. Now, this will work, this logic will work only when it is sorted. Sir, if they give unsorted data, what I should do, sir? Simple thing that you should do is sort it. If they give you unsorted data, first you write the logic for sorting. As I've already told, sorting is very important. Okay, because one or the other way, you will get it one or the other place. They will directly not ask you to sort it. But if you want to get your required output, first you should sort it, then only you will get the required output. That kind of questions they will ask. Okay, so here, now if this is the case, first what I'll do, wherever head is pointing, I'll point my whatever. Okay, wherever piece link is pointing, I'll point my cube. If both are same, are they same? No. If both are not same, what I should do? Should I change anything? No, I just have to move. Move to where? Q first I should move. P should move to same place where Q is there, and Q should move to same place where Q's link was there. Got it? Now again you check. P and Q, are they same? Yes. Then either you can remove this or you can remove this. But if I remove this, this one should be connected to here. But if I remove this, this one should be connected to here. Which is easier? Removing this. Because this one I still have the access. I have some pointer. Yes. So what I should do, if both are matching, then what I should do? Piece link should be pointing to where? Q's link. Piece link should be pointing to same place where Q's link is pointing, or otherwise P's link's link is pointing. You should have told P, or otherwise Q's link is pointing. Clear?
Yes.
Now what just happened? I started pointing from here to here. Well and good, sir. This also I have understood. Next what? Next I should, sorry, I should free this Q. Free Q means this one will be deleted. Is it sufficient? No. Next time I should do, point my Q to here. Where is P available? Here only. This part I removed, and Q should be pointing to here because now I should compare this one and this one. 20 and 40, are they matching? No. Assume that now we are 20 only is there. Then what will happen? Again, P will start pointing from here to here, and it will delete this one and Q will come.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
Anything difficult in this? See, quite simple. If you know the logic, what you should do here, if you understood this, writing the same thing here is very easy. Like this, until when I should do? Means until I compare this element. Yes, this one I should be able to compare it with this one. So when can I compare this and this? Once Q points to null. Means until Q points to null, I should be able to do. If I write P points to null, Okay, then it will take one extra, garbage value, I can say. If you say P not equal to null, then it will take one extra value from here, because Q by this time would be pointing to null. Okay, wherein there is no value. Getting my point? So what I should do? You should write until Q not equal to null. Keep doing the same task. Here, online. So now here, what is the program? Void. Sorry. Struct we need. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Struct. Yes.
Log the exposure, sir.
In this locking, the exposure option is not there, but I'll definitely focus it. Visible?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
So struct node,
Star
and then I'll say that P should be
pointing to where it is pointing.
head is pointing, and Q should be pointing to same place where
This link is pointing.
this link is pointing, and then while of
Q not equal to
Q not equal to null. Inside this, if Q not equal to null means by the time Q becomes equals to null, which means it will stop. Whenever Q becomes equals to null, it will stop. Before that point, it will work. Means till here it will work, and later it will go to next position, then it will become null. Okay. So if P's data not equal to Q's var, then what I should do? If it is not equal means what? Both are different. When both are different, what I should move? Both pointers I just have to move. P I should move to same place where Q is pointing. Q I should move to same place where
Q's link is pointing.
sorry. Answer you are saying. P's link should be pointing to same place where. Just imagine one node is there A, that is your P. Okay. Okay. P, Q, R. Okay. P and Q are matching. When P and Q are same, what I should do? P should be connected directly to R, because I want to delete this Q. This much only I should do.
Yes, sir.
This is your P, this is your Q, but I didn't consider R. But this is next node is nothing but after Q, whatever node is there, that is nothing but your R only. So P's link should be pointing to same place where Q's link is pointing. Where Q's link is pointing, that is nothing but your R, whatever I mentioned, means third node. Okay, directly I pointed. Next what? Free what I should do?
Q.
Wherever Q is pointing. And then, sir, once it is done, sir. Because we should compare again this one with this one, right? But do you have any track of this? No. You should tell that Q should point to here. How can I tell that? Q should point to same place where?
His link is pointing.
Sorry? Q's link. Just wait.
Yes.
Q should point to same place where P's link is point. Okay, now again, while Q not equal to null, is it true? Q is still not equal to null, right? So again, I'll compare P's data, P's value and Q's value. Are they same or not? If it is same, then I'll go with this one. If it is not same, then I'll go with this one. Means if it is not same, just move the pointers. If it is same, take the pointer of first node, directly point it to third node. Remove second node and point that Q to third node, so that you can compare first and third. Clear? Any doubt in this? Because this is closure of, right? Any doubt? Online? Make it fast. Guys, again, I'm asking any doubt in data structures? ये वाला. See, you told that you will delete this. Wherever Q is pointing, you have deleted. Well and good. Does it mean that there are no more duplicates? Duplicates, there might be a chances that duplicates might be there. 20 only is there. Don't you think still it is duplicate? This one you removed, but still 20 is there 2 times. Then what I should do? Again, I should compare this one with that one. This one I have removed, but this one also I should compare, right? Then I need some pointer. Who is that pointer? Again, will you create new pointer for that purpose? No, whatever Q is there, you deleted this node. Does it mean you deleted Q also? Q will be still there. Whenever you write free of anything, wherever it is pointing, that location will be deleted. That pointer will be still there. Whenever I write temps link, free of temps link, wherever temps link is pointing, that node it will delete. But temps link, will it be still be there? Yes, it will be there. Getting my point? In a similar way, when I say free of Q, wherever Q is pointing, where it is pointing to this node. This will get deleted. But can anyone tell me, will this also get deleted or not? This Q also will it get deleted? Never. The pointer still remains. Here. Online. Make it fast. Done till here.
Yes, sir.
Next comes your, concept, I can say altogether, which is that new concept. Stack. It is nothing but not just stack, it is applications of stack. Okay. As I've already told, I'll not convert, a stack program using linked list. I'll not do it. That should be done from you because I've already explained you there is nothing much in that. Okay. But however, please listen. Don't think that sir duration is long. I'll definitely give break after some time, but keep listening. It is not really difficult. It is easy if you listen. Okay. So basically, what is the application of stack? If you ask me, there are three major applications. Okay. That is evaluation of postfix, infix, or prefix expressions. Okay. As of now, just remember this much. What are the applications? First one is evaluation of here. What is it? That is nothing but applications. If you just blabber it in your interview, it will not help you because definitely as soon as you tell this, immediately they will go in depth. Okay. First point is evaluation of prefix, postfix, and infix expression. First point. Okay. Second one. What is it? Converting. For what to what? Or either ways. Okay, it depends. I'll explain you few which are very important and it will be frequently asked in your interview. I'll show that. Okay. And last one is finding if there is any missing parenthesis. This one. Getting my point? So now questions come. What do you mean by prefix, postfix, or infix expression, sir? Leave that part. First, you tell me what do you mean by expression. Then I'll discuss what do you mean by prefix, postfix, and infix. First question is, what do you mean by expression here? What do you mean by expression? Yes. Simple words. I'm not expecting you to give some definition here. See, sometimes it so happens that in your interview also, from your interview perspective, it so happens that if you just tell the definition, sometimes the interviewer will not be impressed. You know why? Do you know why? They are not taking interview only for you. That is true. Fact. Agreed. Okay, when they are taking interview for many people, whenever they ask some question, you know, what do you mean by encapsulation? There are 1,000 people who will just tell 3 statements. Any one of these 3 statements from entire market, 1,000 to more than 1,000 people. What are those? Wrapping the data, binding the data, or hiding the data. Are you capable enough to speak something extra apart from these? If you want to tell this, tell. But are you able to justify that? Are you able to speak something extra about the same thing in depth? That will definitely impress. Getting it? So quite simple. Just try to think. It is not about hi-fi definitions. It's about how well you explain it. Every time definition is not needed. Okay. So now when I say expression, what do you mean by expression? I'll say that this is one expression. Sir, what do you mean by this, sir? Basically, what is this? Operate. Okay, be it arithmetic or whichever. Operate. Okay. And what are these?
Operands.
This is nothing but I can say it is operands. Yes. So basically, in simple words, if I have to say, for any operator, definitely you need operands. There are some unary operator also. I'm not speaking about that. But normally, these arithmetic operators definitely need 2 operands for sure. Minimum 2 should be there. Yes or no? So what exactly is the purpose of it? Or basically, what do you mean by expression? At least did you understand? In simple words, if I have to give a definition of it, it is nothing but the combination of, yes, it is a combination of operands and operators. Getting my point? And why exactly you should know, this expression, if you ask me, here we will be dealing with prefix, postfix, and infix expression. Now, expression, all of you understood. Now, if I have to speak, see, same old things were done in your college also, and you struggled a lot. And same thing will come in your Java also later. So better be prepared. Okay. So now if I say, what do you mean by prefix expressions, sir? What do you mean by postfix expressions, sir? What do you mean by infix expressions, sir? Prefix is something like if the operator is coming in the beginning, then we call it as prefix. Your operator is coming at the beginning. If at all operator prefix here. If operator is coming at last, keep only one thing. Sir, I'll keep here operator is coming in the beginning, then it is prefix. If operand is coming in the beginning, then it is postfix. Don't keep like that. Keep it in simple way. If operator is coming in the beginning, then prefix. If operator is coming in the last, then it is postfix. If operator is coming in between the operands, then it is infix. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
And how to evaluate? We will definitely check how to evaluate prefix as well as postfix expression, but we'll be least bothered about infix. Do you know why? The reason is, if I give an example, here, Which one you will understand clearly? Infix is human understandable and it is quite easy to solve. But your prefix and postfix, it is not that way. Here, sir, it is easy only, no, sir. Just have to put this plus here. I've just considered two operands. But there might be a cases wherein equation or expression might be too lengthier. Then you will get stuck in that case. Sir, example I'll give later. Getting my point? But till here, is that clear? Online? Okay. Now, before I start with this, these all things are something like, prerequisites for you to understand the application of stack. Prerequisites means all of you, what do you mean by prerequisite? I believe all of you know. Don't know? Prerequisite is something like, if you want to learn how to drive a car, first you should know which are the parts of car. I mean, basic parts like brake, clutch, accelerator, gear, steering. These are prerequisites you should know. Means you should know this before you start. In a similar way, before I start working on these things, first you should know these. And now, sir, this is fine, sir. Now, if I write one application, 5 plus, if I write one expression, 8 I'll not write. How much will be the value?
10.
Yes.
10. 10, sir.
See here. Some of you will say, what it is? 4 plus 2, 4, 5, 6, star 3. Yes,
No, sir, no.
18. Some others will say, first 3 2s are 6 plus 4.
Yes, sir.
Now, this also is answer you are getting it as, you are getting an answer as 2 values. You are getting 2 values as an answer, which is right.
10, 10.
For you to identify that, first you should know something called as precedence. Precedence is something like priority.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now here, of course, when you are starting, first you are getting plus. But we are actually to get the right value, which is right here. This one is wrong. This is right. So why exactly this is right, sir? First we should do plus. No, plus is coming first. According to priority. See, if you are also there and VIP is also there to, visit the temple. You also want to visit a temple. VIP also want to visit a temple. Who will get the chance first?
Yes.
Definitely, it is VIP. Fine. I should not consider about you. I am there and VIP is there. Definitely, VIP will get a chance first because he is a VIP. He have that extra level of priority given. Yes or no? In a similar way, here also you should know how precedence or priority works. Based on priority, you should evaluate the expression. Randomly, you cannot evaluate. So for that matter, what is the precedence? So if I have to write precedence here, precedence of operators. What are those precedences? Listen, all of you. First priority will be given for this, this, this. Okay. Next priority will be given for power. Okay. And next is given for starting from left to right. So starting from left to right means what, sir? Multiplication is also there, division is also there. Both are there. Now we assume that here multiplication is there or like this. To whom I should give chance first? If it is something like this, it is clearly understandable. I should give first priority to this one. Yes. But if it is something like this, then to whom you will give a chance? Starting from left to right, whosoever will come first, they will get more priority. If both are there, which one I should do first here? First, you should do 4 divided by 2. Then you should, whatever value you will get, 4 by 2 is 2. 2 star 3 you should do. Because here also you will get 2 answers. What are those? 4 by 2, how much it is? 2. 2 star 3. Okay, it is 6. The other answer is 3 to the whatever answer. Point. Which one is right?
6.
There you can tell because half of the concept is explained. But I'm just trying to say precedence is very important to solve any expression. This should have been taught in your school days
Yes, sir.
or in your college days max. But fortunately or unfortunately, I'm teaching it. Okay. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Third precedence is given for star and division starting from left to right. Both have same priority. Okay. Whosoever comes first, starting from left, they will get the first chance. Okay. And what about this one?
Plus minus.
Same priority.
Yes. Sir.
Whosoever comes first, they will get the first chance.
Okay, sir.
Getting?
Yes, sir.
So going ahead, I don't think there will be any programs here. It is all about the process. For that, I believe by this time you should be capable enough, say, after doing reverse, counting, that, this, etc. stuff, and how exactly your stack works, after explaining all this, now you should be capable enough to write a program for whatever I'll do next. Because it is related operations to stack. Yes or no? Am I right or not? So you should be capable enough to do it. But will you be able to do it or not? That is a different question altogether. Copy it completely. Try to make it fast. Is it visible? Yes, it is. So also write one statement over there. Expression is nothing but combination of operators and operands. That statement I have not written. That you can just write. I have explained it. Same thing, you just write it one statement. Don't take much time. Else I will say that I'll send a snap. You can copy from there and you will not feel good. Better than that, copy it at the earliest. Just take the heading as evaluation of. Someone replied something in group. Evaluation of
Yes. Prefix question.
prefix expression. Prefix expression means what?
Operator, then operator.
Sorry?
First operator, then operator.
Only one part you keep it in your mind. Okay. Because the other part you can definitely remember it. What is the other part? First should be starting with operator. So now, here, please observe carefully because steps, I will not give it as a theoretical part. There are some steps which you should follow. If you follow next question, you will solve it by yourself. Okay. But I will not ask you to do it. But what I'm trying to say is just listen carefully because I'll not give separately as theoretical part for steps. Getting it? If you listen, I'll just write some short keywords. That is enough. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
Here. Visible screen?
Yes, yes.
So here I'll just try to write it as plus 9 star 26. Okay. Is it prefix, infix, or postfix? Can you guys decide it? Yes.
Prefix.
It is definitely
Prefix.
prefix expression. Yes.
Yes.
Plus 9 star 26. Okay. So now I'll consider 3 columns here. Which are those? First one is, that is character scan. And here it is push. And here it is pop. Sorry?
No, sorry.
No, whatever you want to say, just say it. Remembering something. What?
Name is college.
College concept. Was it done in same way? Everyone will do it in same way only. But how well you understand is the point. Okay, same way they would have taught, but understanding point is somewhere different. The way of explaining might be different, or the way you understand would be different. And also, during that time you didn't listen. Now it is more or less like you should listen. There is no other option. Okay, so now the concept I want to explain before going there is, if I write push of anything, 5, what will happen? Whenever push method is called, what will happen? That process you tell me. I'm not expecting you 5 will be pushed or not. That you don't tell me. Just tell me whenever I call any push method anywhere, what will normally happen? Directly inserting. Wherever top is there it will insert. Wow. Basically, top will be pointing to -1 in the beginning. So whenever you call push method, okay, what will happen? First, it will increment the top pointer, and then in that location where top is pointing, there it will insert the element. But if you say pop, what it will do? Wherever it is pointing, first it will take out that element and then it will decrement. Push is something like increment and then save. Pop is something like first delete it and then decrement. Clear with that point? Yes. Again, I'm saying push and pop method if I call. Here, push means what? First increment and then store element where it will store. Increment what also I should write, else you will ask me, sir, increment you told, what I should increment, sir? Increment top first and then store element where top is pointing. But pop means what? Delete I cannot say. Take out the element where top is pointing and then decrement. Yes. Yes or no?
Yes.
All of you understood what is the basic purpose, I mean basic process in push and pop? Yes. Now you think and tell me, for calculating any operation, first, do I need operator or do I need operand? Normally, in your normal terms, first, what you should get, directly will I give operator for you? First, we should get operand. So I'm giving general picture here. First, what we need for evaluating any expression? Infix is easier for us. Why infix is easier? Because first it will start with operator and it will end with, it will start with operand as well as end with operand. Operators will come in between. So it will be easier for us to understand it. Yes or no? So now if I want to evaluate any expression, first what I need? Operand only I need. Now you think and tell me, in this expression, from which side I should start? Definitely from right side I should start. The reason is the operand is available in right side, means my right side. Now my right side, your right side, everyone's side. So I turn like this, left side. Okay, according to you, you tell. Okay, it should be from right side, because first I'll get the operand at right side as it is. Prefix expression. Prefix expression means by default it will be starting with operator only. Okay, if it is starting with operator, definitely it will end with operand only. And for evaluating any expression, as I've already told, what I need first? See, if I tell you, add something, operator you got, then what will be your question? Sir, what I should add? That you will ask, right? So first you need operand, then you need operator. At any point of time, which side operand is coming, from that side you should start. Be it prefix or postfix, in both. Okay. So now if you observe, operand is coming from
Right hand side.
So I should start from
Right hand side.
right to
Left.
left. Got it? So first step is step 1. What is it? Scan from
Right hand side. Right side.
right
To
to
left.
first step. Next step is what? Keep doing, then you will get to know. First, what is it? 26, sir. 6. Character scanned. I didn't say number scanned. Character. One by one you should take. Getting my point? If it is 26, I would have written it in such a way, I'll give some space here and I'll not give any space here. These are individual digits. Later you will get to next example you will get. So here it should be 6. Character scanned is 6. Okay. Whenever it is character does not mean that char data type I'm speaking. Something I'm scanning, some character I'm scanning. It can be digit or it can be operand or operator, anything it can be. I'm just scanning it. Okay. So whenever you are getting operand here, what you should do, step 2, if it is operand, then what I should do? I should push it to stack. So again, when I say push, should I explain what I should do in push? I'll not explain because already it's done. So what I should do whenever 6 is coming, this is your stack. This is how your stack is. And where your top is pointing? Now what I should do when I say push? Increment the top and store that element wherever top is pointing. Now top will be pointing to here and I'll store. Got it? Next, I'll proceed with next one. What is it? Operand or operator? Operand. Whenever it is operand, what I should do? Push it to stack. Again, push means what? All of you know already. So next one is 2. If this was your top before, 6 is there. This time what it will do when I say push? This is your top and 2 it will add. Okay. Next, what I'll get? If it is operator, what you should do, please understand, then pop of top to operand 1, operand 1, and pop top minus 1 to operand 2. And then what will be step 4? Not step 4 probably, I can say that. Perform that operation, that is operand 1 and operator that you got, okay, and operand 2. What does it mean? Which is the first, at top, whenever you get star, what I should do? If it is operator, whichever operator, then pop of top. Wherever top is pointing, pop that. Pop, what does it mean? Already I've explained. Take out the element where top is pointing and then decrement the top. So here, where exactly top is pointing? 2. So first, for your operand 1, okay, I'll pop top. And then, okay, by default, pop means only decrement. Decremented. Now this has been deleted. Okay, this element has been deleted, but here I'm not showing it because this step later, while copying, you will not have anything. Okay, so next time operand 2, it will become as top minus 1 value, that is 6. And then you should perform one operation, that is OPRN1, OPRN2, that is 2 star 6 value. Now what you should do is, whatever result you will get, I can say that its value, whatever you will get, is nothing but result. Okay, and step 4 is a result should be pushed onto top of. Got my point? So now this has been removed and top has been decremented. This has been removed and top has been decremented. Now where your top is pointing? -1. Then what I should do? Increment your top. Top was pointing to here, cancel it. Top should be pointing to here, and here I'll push. Got it?
Yes, sir.
This much is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, what I should do? Continue scanning. What you are getting?
Push.
Operand 9. Whenever you get operand, what I should do?
Push.
Simple thing. Push it. Okay, 12 is already there. Top is pointing to here. It should not point to here. It should be pointing to here, and then insert 9. Next time, I'll get plus. That is nothing but operator. If you are getting operator, what I should do? That is your OPRND 1, OPRND 2. For OPRND 1, what I should put? Top. That is nothing but 9. For 2, 12. Means these two elements has been deleted now. And it has been stored in operand 1 variable, operand 2 variable. Now I should perform this. That is OPRND 1, OPRND 2. Here, what it should be? 9 plus 12. And I'll get one more value called result as 12 plus 9. 21. And as I've already told, you should, by this time, decrement, delete, decrement, delete, decrement. By this time, it would be pointing to -1. Now I should push result. So I'll increment the top from here to here. Yes. And I'll store the value as clear.
Yes, sir.
All of you.
Yes, sir.
It is simple if you follow it. And I have not written something like very hi-fi statements I have written here, not really. It is very simple. It's all about how you try to understand and how you try to implement. Is it something like I have batted this and I have written? Whatever I'm following, same thing I've written there. That's it. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, quickly try to do it. Don't try to copy it. Try to do it. Hardly it will take some 5 minutes of time for you. If you write the expression, and again, it is which expression? Heading all of you have taken, right? Evaluation of postfix I'll do, but first you understand prefix. Sorry? दिख नहीं रहा. What I should move? Projector? I should move. Fine. So next expression if I give, all of you, can you try it?
Yes, sir.
If you cannot try also, you should try. There is no other option. Okay, so it is minus division star. Is it visible in online?
Yes, sir.
I believe all of you are able to distinguish the numbers. What are the numbers I have written there? Are you able to distinguish? Now don't consider that it is 2 and 0. It is 20 here. Sir, 300, sir. 300. Are you able to do it? Prefix or postfix it is? Simple.
Prefix.
Starting with operator, which means it is prefix. By default, it will end with operand only. Sir, so easy, sir. Do it. First you do it. Don't put so much time on that part because I'll anyways explain it. First you copy this much and let me know. But at least have you guys understood? Because if you understood this one, then only will understand next one. Sorry? I told no need to be bothered about that part. If you are writing it, very good, within time. But I have more confidence on you people that, most of your answers will be wrong. I should not say that, but still. Sorry? You don't have what? You're not having answer only. That's really good, actually.
This time you have to follow the precedence, sir.
Sorry?
This time you have to follow the precedence.
What is there for precedence, sir? Only two operators are there. Here you should not follow. That precedence is for infix expression. Here you should not follow that. Not visible. Visible. हाँ है मैडम. हटा दे उसको. तो हाँ. Sorry? हाँ.
Then वो 12 हुआ ना, ऑपरेशन के बाद जैसे जो वो वाला,
Okay.
then नीचे आया, then फिर से वो implement किया.
12 जो आया उसको हम पुश किया. Push matlab it will be at the top. It was at -1. Whenever I do push, it will come to 0. This is your -1th location. This is your 0th location. This is your 1th location, 2th location. Just whatever is there like this, no? -1 में कहाँ है? -1 में pointer था. Okay, but am I inserting anything in -1? No. Arrays will always start from 0, or stack also I will start from 0th location only. Here. You will get it in next one. I don't think so. No, I guess. Somewhere something is wrong. Please check. Just wait, all of you. Stop. This one. Still not copied only. That I'll not give time. Sorry. That I will explain. Madam, you take snap of this. Quickly take snap. I don't have time for, that one. That one you guys copied?
Yes, sir.
This one you guys copied?
Yes, sir. Copied everything.
Array, take screenshot, no? If someone have joined, just take a screenshot of the session. You will get it. Others have copied this, right?
Yes, sir.
Madam, if no one is having, I'll give it. Okay. Don't worry. If that is also not happening, I'll solve it again. Then you will get it. Don't worry. Okay. So now, here. Fine. Don't worry. Anything serious? If there is anything serious because of which you guys are laughing, let me also know. Stop. Now let me discuss. Okay, just listen quickly. I should have not written it here. I should have. Now, from which side I should start? Why?
Prefix, sir.
Why I should start from right side only?
This is prefix. It is.
Prefix means operator will come in the beginning, but I don't want operator. I want operand at the beginning. Which side operand will be there? Prefix means definitely operand will be at the last. Last means that is at the right side. Clear with that? Okay. Any doubt in this? Anyone? Doubt? Fine. So first, which one I should scan?
Two, sir.
Then what I should do? Say, you have written, that's great, stop now. Because you miss 1 second and you will not understand one step, I'll not explain again. Don't miss even a single step here. So I'll go little faster here. Initially, it will be at -1. So I'll increment the top and I'll add 2. Now top will be pointing to here. This is not pointing to here. Next what?
300.
Next you're able to scan 300. So what I should do?
Push.
Again, 2.
300.
Previously top was here. Now it should stop here and it should point to here. And I've added 300. Okay. Next what? 6. 2.
300.
300.
6.
Top was here this time and it will get cancelled and it will start pointing to here. 6. And
3.
3. Here. 2.
300.
300. 6.
3.
Then top was here previously. Now it should be pointing to here and I will add 3. So it is not something like, sir, I will add 2 operands and immediately I should pop it out. No, it is not that way. Until you get operator, keep pushing. Once I get operator, which operator I am getting there? Plus. Whenever I get operator, what I should do? Pop the element. That is top you should pop and you should store it in operand 1. Operand 2. Top means what element will be popped out? 3. So this should I write again? Oh, I will write again. Operand 1. Sorry? Precedence? See, precedence you should think when it is infix expression. When you are evaluating infix expression, then you get both division, multiplication, whatever you get, then you should do with that. Turn off the fan. No? You don't want fan or you want fan? Fine. Here. So I'm just trying to say whenever you are getting division and multiplication in infix expression, then you should go with precedence. But here it is quite clear that I should start from right to left only. Whatever you do, you should start from right side only and you should come towards left. Whatever will come in between, you just keep doing, following the process. 4 steps, whatever I've written, as it is, you follow. If you want to write a program for this, if you ask me to write, will I write? No. Why I will not write also, I will say. Have I explained you how push works? Push method in the beginning of stack. That is what I'm asking. Have I explained or not? Yes. Have I explained you how pop works? What do you mean by push? You already know. What do you mean by pop? You already know. I will tell whenever I want, I will do push. Then you should write, you should call push method. You just have to write if and else. If it is any number between 0 to whatever value it is, okay, then you should call push. If it is operator, if character scan is plus, minus, multiplication, division, or brackets, any one of this, then you call pop of top -1 and store it in operand 1, operand 2 and calculate, do that operation and perform the, store the result in one variable and push it to stack. Done. And whenever it is operand, then keep pushing it. Clear? So now I got it. So operand, where it is? This one, is it visible? That part is not visible. This just for this one, I can't write it again. Okay, fine, I'll write it here. This side, is it visible? I can't remove that also now. Okay, fine. I'll just write it here. So that is operand 1, operator, operand 2. So operand 1 is 3 plus, I guess, 6 plus 9 will be stored in your result, and same thing I should push on top of the stack. Okay, so here, not visible. Okay, here I should push 2, 300. In top will be present here. Increment the top to here, and then push 9. 9. Amen. Fine. Done.
Yes.
Till here, is it done?
Yes, sir.
Clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Next, I should continue again here. Next character scan is till where it is done, till here.
Yes, sir.
Then I'll get 50. By this time, what was there?
2, 2, 300, 9, 50.
I mean, top was previously here. Now it will stop pointing. It will start pointing here, and I'll add it. Done. Next time,
Operator. 450.
I'm not sure if answer is right or not, whatever you told. So it should be 59.
9.
And then here, what is the operand that I got? Directly, I'll do it. Any issues? 50 star 9. I'm feeling something is wrong. Fine. 450 I got. Sorry? Something like that. Fine. See. 2.
300, 450. Then multiply 20.
20 I should multiply. Did I give the valid expression? I am getting down.
Yes, sir. Valid.
Whatever I give, it will be valid only. It depends on what output I get. 2, 300 output. That is right, I guess. Then it is 450. Now your top is pointing to here.
Yes,
See, I'll not write T. Directly, I'll put arrow mark. That will be your top. And then comes here 2, 300, 450. Okay. Then comes here multiplication. Then operand 1, 20, 450, 20 star 450. Really?
Yes, sir.
Great. No issue. See, ultimately, it's all about calculation. That should not be an issue.
2, 300,
9,000. By the time I delete this one, top will come here. By the time I delete this one, top will come here. From there, I'll increment the top to here. It was there here. Okay. From here, I incremented to here, and I've added 9,000. Okay. After 9,000 means star is done. Then I'll get division. Again, you should perform the same thing. OPD 1, I'll write OPD 2. OPD 1 is 9,000. OPD 2 is 300. So 9,000 divided by 3 ones are equal to 30. So what I should do now? 2 should be there and top will be present here. It should stop and it should start pointing here, and here I should insert 30. Okay. And at last minus is coming. So here OPD 1, 30, OPD 2, 2 only. Okay. So then if I do 30 minus, by this time, final output, it should be something like this.
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
Sorry? This one only or this one also? This line only completely not visible. Before you could have told, madam. I should write again. Fine, not an issue. Here. If it is minus, by that time, okay, already operand 1, operand 2 from previous operation, I should do it. So operand 1, OPRD 2, it is 32. I'll make it visible. That is 30 minus 2, it will be equal to 28. So top will be pointing to somewhere here, and it should be incremented to here, and it should be stored as online. Guys, if you want to develop a program on this also, it should be very easy for all of you because there is nothing much I'm doing here. Only thing is push, pop. And whenever I do pop, it will return one value. I'm storing it in operand 1. And next time I'll decrement the top and that value I'll store it in operand 2. And whatever operator you got, operand 1, operator, and then operand 2. Perform that much. Done. No, it is not really lengthy. Here we are doing it one by one. But do you think compiler will show us each and every step? What compiler will show? 28. It will just show the output for you. Okay. What you should do, you should write your program in such a way. Start from here. Start from here. But your compiler, does it know how to read from right to left? No. It always knows to read from left to right. So what you should do is reverse it. Same expression, whatever is given, you reverse it. No. In your interview, they will not give you question to evaluate this. If they give you to evaluate, then you should evaluate. Okay. But here, what I'm explaining you is evaluation. I'm explaining true, but you can write the program for this, and you are supposed to write it. Okay. Here, I am not writing the program. The reason is push method. Have I explained? Pop method. Have I explained? Okay. Whenever you get operator, say what you should do. If some character you are scanning, and if that character is operator, okay, if that character is operator, what I should do? Normally you think and tell me, if that character you got, that is operator, what you should do? Fetch the top, pop the top element and store it in operand 1. Pop the next, top -1 and store it in operand 2. And operator, you store it in one more variable called operator. Perform that operation and store it in result. Okay, already you pop 2 elements. Now you store, now you push that result. What exactly you are doing here? You are just doing push, pop. That's it. Apart from that, nothing else is there here. Scanning part is there. That I'll let you.
In that part, we differentiated 6 first and then say 2. In this video, we differentiate.
That is what I'm trying to say. It's all about how you accept the input. Okay. See, that is what I'm trying to say. You should write your program in such a way, we should differentiate the numbers. Okay. While writing here, I have directly written it. Definitely, if it is one single number, only one digit will be there, or otherwise, if it is one single number, there will not be any space.
Yes, sir.
Getting my point? Yes, sir. Here I have written it. Normally, I have written it because of which there is no space here. But when you guys ask me, sir, is it 26 or 26? There. Is it clearly visible?
Yes, sir.
Which is 20, which is 2, which is 3.
Yes.
Definitely, there will be some space. You also give space separated inputs. Done. Whenever space is coming, which means one complete number is scanned.
We have to reverse the user input.
For writing the program for this, you have to reverse it. The reason is here for this process, you need not reverse. Okay, for doing this process, you need not reverse. But when you should reverse, when you are writing a program, why? What is the reason?
Compiler.
Because our compiler or JVM or with respect to C, GNC compiler, whatever it is, they never know to read it from right to left.
Yes.
Whatever it does, it always does from
Left to right.
clear. All of you. For that reason, first you reverse it and then follow the same process. All of you got the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Quickly try to write it
Then compile.
online. At what time I started?
9:30.
9:30.
Yes.
Okay.
8.
Sorry?
9:38.
Oh, 38.
38. 38?
9:30.
Actual class.
मतलब पहले बोले ना
Actual class.
Punctual.
Meeting will keep running. 10 minutes of break.
Okay, sir.
I can see some of so tired. By listening to session, you guys are so tired. I should understand that because you guys hardly sleep for 1 or 2 hours max. So you definitely will get tired. So for that reason, 10 minutes of break we can take and then we can proceed ahead. Fine.
Yes.
Okay. So meanwhile, try to think. Anyways, break is there. I'm not taking your break time. Okay. But meanwhile, I'm just trying to say, try to think what you should do if at all if it is postfix expression.
Left to reverse.
Done. If I do that much, will I get output?
Yes, left to right we start.
first right for like what?
We have that.
There will be definitely, of course, here I'm doing from right to left. It does not depend on from where I'm starting. It depends where I find the operand. From that side, I should start. True. I'm not saying that is wrong. It is true. But is it complete is what my question is. It will not be complete because there is small changes in that. What is that small changes? After a break. Just take 10 minutes break and then I'll start. Rather than thinking, write some question. Is it something like I should only give question? You convert this question only to postfix and write it. If you reverse it, you will get it in postfix. True. Do it, no? That only I have done. Small changes will be there. Of course, process is same. Process remains same, but there is small changes. What is that small changes? So 10 minutes means it is 11:50. Okay.
Yes.
Fine. 11:26, which means 11:30 it will become.
Yes, sir.
I'll not end the session. It will keep running. Just like that, I'll start. But again, I'm just trying to say 11:32. No. 1. I have told till 1, right?
Yes.
9 to 12.
12 I have told.
Yes.
Then why to give break?
You told.
What is your lunch break actually? I thought it is 1. 12 to 1 I have given break, right? Your lunch break usually will be
1, sir. 1 to 2. 1 to engage starters.
1 to 2. Then there is a small changes in the plan. What is that if you ask me?
No class.
Huh? No, break will be there. I'll give break now because I'll take it up to 1 o'clock.
Okay, sir.
The reason is I want to give you a break at 1 to 2. I don't want to give break from 12 to 1. By mistake, I've done that. 1 to 2, I'll give break. Will that be fine?
Yes.
Because definitely, if you're missing your food, definitely you will not have interest to listen to class. Leaving food, why should I listen to class? Food is utmost priority, sir. How can I leave food? Understand. For that reason, considering everyone, 1 to 2 will be your lunch break. As of now, take 10 minutes break. And from 11:30, okay, it will be till clear.
Yes, sir.
Take your break now. Session will keep running, guys, but 11:30 I'll start. Online. Fine? If it is not fine, also it is fine.
Yes.
Only SPR card. SPR card then. Oh, wait. Not cancel. Cancel. Divided in the heart, started the started as I want carrot. I thought it's a six. I thought it's a six. लेकिन तुम लोग डालती हो यहाँ से भी तुम दाल में भी चीनी डालती हो दही भी तुम लोग ये करती हो उसमें गुड़ डालती हो मुझे वो पसंद है गुड़ वाला हम लोग के बगल में मालदा है ना मालदा से आता है मुझे भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है हम लोग के घर में खीर बनता है ना उसमें खजूर का दूध मक्खी डालते हैं ये पार्ट पूरा होता है ना अरे कहीं पे भी नहीं तुम लोग जो मेरे दिया अरे जोमेटो ऑर्डर मार
We are suffering because you are having that. Yeah.
Okay, no problem, no problem.
This comes. You say this Rashid and then you answer all this. Oh, you're not good at that.
What is it saying?
They don't present an answer.
You want very good. Good decision. Can we start? So next question is which number? If you pop 2 times, then top will be a मतलब 2 बार pop किया तो ये delete होगा, ठीक है? Delete नहीं कर रहा मतलब operand 1 में सेव कर रहा है, इसको operand 2 में सेव कर रहा है, उसके बाद top इधर होगा, तब यहाँ पे नहीं उधर नहीं है, ये भी pop किया ना, ये pop किया एक बार, top इधर होगा, ये भी pop किया, top इधर होगा।
ये वाला पटा कहाँ पे?
नहीं इधर ही है, ठीक है? मतलब अरे से बाहर वैल्यू है बस, ठीक है? इंडेक्स वैल्यू -1 है, बट उधर कुछ सेव नहीं कर पाएंगे क्योंकि वो लोकेशन नहीं है, इसलिए फिर से इंक्रीमेंट करके उधर सेव करेंगे। Online, if all of you are available, quickly respond in chat box as yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, still available. I thought you guys are gone. Great. Listen.
Yes, sir.
Listen. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So I'll show it first. What is the minor changes? Minor to minor changes. Else there might be a chances that you will get minus value. Okay, each time you do. Doubt. I thought you were asking something. So you are responding, huh? Great. For second one means evaluation of postfix expression. I'll not write the steps. You are supposed to write the steps because there is only minor changes. Rest everything is same. Only 2 steps you will change. What are those 2 steps? I'll explain you. First, you tell me from which side I should scan. From left. 2 words right. Take the heading as evaluation of postfix expression and below that. First, I should start from left side here. This will be left to right. Listen, all of you. First, I'll get 7. I should do what? Top will be present to -1. Increment. Top will come here and store 7. Next, 8. Top will be present here. And then I'll increment it to here, 8. Then top will be present here, but I don't want it here. Increment 6, 2, 7, 8, 6. Top will be present here. Increment. Then it will come to here, 2. Then star. Whenever star comes, just a minute. Kindly hold on. Hello. You can come, sir. So here, whenever operator is coming, listen, stop writing. Whenever operator is coming, what you should do is, still you will have operand 1, operand 1. Better. It's okay, listen. Whenever star is coming, again, you need operand 1, operand 2. But there is only one changes. Top element. You are storing it where? We were storing top element in operand 1. But here you should store top element in operand 2. So what is the top element here? 2. And top -1 you should store it in operand 1. Because there might be a chances that minus value, negative value you may get. All these days what we were doing? Assume that here I'll store 2, 6. And anyways, it is plus, I guess. Operator I'm getting. No, star I'm getting. Okay, next is minus. When I'm doing minus, always I should do greater minus smaller. But if you do like normal way, first whatever we followed, that process if you follow, there might be a chances that you will get -4. I don't want that. I want positive numbers. Okay. Means only changes is that top you should store it in operand 2. Top -1 you should store it in operand 1. That is the only changes. Got my point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. First thing is whenever it is postfix expression, start scanning from that side where operand is present. And second changes is that top element should be stored in operand 2. Top -1 should be stored in operand 1. And then as usual.
So when 6 is this side, well, suppose to 6 is this side.
See, which side it is present does not matter. But definitely when you are doing it, this is the process you should follow. Else, whenever minus operator will come, whenever minus will come, greater minus smaller should happen. But normally what will happen is smaller minus greater will happen. It does not matter which number is coming. Okay, you should follow the same process. Just follow this. Now what you will get? Operand 1, operator, operand 2. What it will be? 6 star 2. And then what I should do here?
7, 8, 12.
7, 8. By this time it would be present here.
Yes, sir.
Because I have popped 2 times. First time when I pop, top will come from here to here. Next time when I pop, top will come from here to here. Now I want to push it. So I'll increment the top. Push means what? First you increment and then you store. So my value that will be stored here is 12. Next what? Minus I got. So here operand 1, operand 2. Now top I should. So first 12 I should pop, and if I want to store it, I will store it in operand 2. And 8 I'll pop and I'll store it in operand 1. Now what exactly I should do? Which is the operator I got? Minus. So what I should do? 8 minus 12. Of course, this is right. Now you may feel that's a negative value I'll get, but negative value only I'm getting in actual. Okay, because still one more operation is left out. It does not mean that throughout the process we should not get only. Okay, but if you do that way, there is maximum chances that where I should go get positive, there also you will get negative. That should not happen. Okay, so now if I do 8 minus 12, just keep it. Okay, now 7 is there, top would be present, stop pointing here, and top should be pointing here, minus 4. And then I'm getting, so what I should do, again, operand 1, operand 2, what I should do, top should be here, this one should be here, and I should do operand 1, operator, operand 2. It is 7, operator is plus, right? Plus, sir, from where bracket came, sir? Bracket is not coming. I'm writing it for your understanding. Why, sir? If I directly write plus minus, sir, for one operand, how can there be two symbols, sir? Two operators, sir. That is the reason. So minus into plus. Minus into plus is 3. Minus into plus is minus. So 7 minus 4. It will be 3. And that should be, which is nothing but your final answer. You should get 3 here. So which are the two changes that I should do? First one is whenever you are evaluating postfix expression, you should start from that side where operand is present. Operand is present at, again, according to you, it is left side. Okay, so we should start from left to right. But prefix, I'll start from right to left. The reason is operand will be present at rightmost side. Getting my point? And what is the second changes? In prefix, we will do it in such a way, top will be stored in operand 1, top minus 1 will be stored in operand 2. But here, what is the changes? Top should be stored in operand 2, top minus 1 should be stored in operand 1. And this should not affect you from writing a program because process is same. Wherever you are storing top, in that place you should write top minus 1. Getting my point? Or first you store top in operand 2 and then top minus 1 you store it in operand 1. Rest everything remains the same process. Clear till here? Online? If I give next one, can you all do it?
Yes, sir.
Say again, there might be a chances that they may ask you also. If you get this question in HackerRank, okay, to write a program for evaluating prefix or postfix expression, whichever, you will write the program, push how many times you should do, pop what you should do, that you got to know. Okay, if it is operator, what you should do? Pop 2 times and push 1 time. Getting my point? Whenever you are doing pop, you will get one value that you store it in operand 1 or operand 2 based on whether it is prefix or postfix. And at last, whatever result you got, that you should push. But if it is operand only, then what I should do? Simply call push. Clear with that point? Whatever I have explained throughout the process, that I am saying. Yes. So next question I want to give. Online, is that clear? Chat box is open. Oh, yes, sir. OS means okay. Yes, sir. For us, you guys will say OS. Okay. Next question. Let me write it here. All of you should do it. And then divide star 3, 5, star plus. See, one thing I want to say, do it slowly. If you do first, I'll not give you any prize. That thing you keep it in your mind. Because in the process of finishing first, small mistakes you will commit, which you will not be able to identify also. Again, you should do it completely to get the answer. Better than that, do slowly, not an issue. But try to make sure that you're getting the proper answer.
Yes.
These planes, why you use this surface?
Sorry?
This populace is the
Hmm.
surface, why you use, why you popping we used to write this, right?
It's a simple thing. Whenever I get element, I told you that I'll push. Whenever I'm pushing, how exactly the stack looks like. For that purpose, I'm writing here. Whenever you are doing pop, definitely you will get a question, what you are popping, sir? That also you should get to know, right? For that reason, I'll write here. Whenever I'm popping, means it is clear that I'm getting operator in scanned element. Okay, whenever I'm getting scanned element as operator, what I should do? I'll be writing that in pop column. Done.
Yes, sir.
What is the answer? Then I need not. Should I solve it?
No, sir.
You guys, if I do extra work, you guys will be very happy, I guess. Fine, quickly we'll do it. Where is my marker? Which is my marker? I took it or what? Somewhere here only I would have thrown it. Online is still there. Okay, guys, it's there. Okay, quickly. I'll just do it little faster. Just check in the output. Is it right or not? And also, meanwhile, those were done and you're sure that answer is right. Then proceed with how to convert your infix expression to postfix expression. I will give some infix expression, means if it is like not this, if I give a plus b, you should convert it to ab plus. Understood?
Yes, sir.
How to do that if you have time, if you have done with this, and if you feel that yes, sir, it is 100% right, then you can think that, because I will not give time for you to do something else. However, first one is fine. Should I represent top position also where top is pointing?
No.
By this time, if you have understood directly, it is 5, then 3, then it will be 5, 3, and then it is plus. Then here OPD 1, OPD 2. So top will come in OPD 2. This will come in OPD 1, and then 5 plus 3 equals to 8. So it will become 8. Then it is 6. So 8, 6, 2, 8, 6, 2. Division. When division comes, visible? OPD 1, OPD 2. This will become top,
Yes, sir.
and this will become
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
6 by
3, 8, 3. And multiply.
division is done. Okay. Fine. Division is done, and then it is star. There is already two values, OPD 1, OPD 2. It will be in OPD 2 top 3, 8, and 8 star 3. It will be 24, and at top you should have 24, and then star is done 3, 24, 3, and 5, 24, 3, 5, and then star. So OPD 1, OPD 2, it should be 5, it should be 3, 3, star 5, 15, and then here 24, 15, and then it is plus anything wrong? Answer in such a way I'll get doubt about my own answer. How much it is? Then so this will be a no? Anything different you sorry?
Technically, that last part is
We should push the result. See, in each step, what I'll be doing is here I'm writing it directly, but in each step, what I'll do is first I'll pop the top element. Okay, directly top -1 you cannot access. You can access, but it should be the way top you access. Okay, and you store it in operand 2. Top -1 you store it in operand 1. Operator you store it in some character type. Okay, next what you should do, operand 1, operator, operand 2. Store that in one variable called as result, integer type res. Okay, and then push res. Whenever you get operator, then this is all the process that you should follow. Clear? And you should do the same thing until all the characters are scanned. Any doubt in this?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, if we got like a power and brackets, this type of
Sorry?
operator. If we got the
Your voice is not audible.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
So here we got only plus operator, minus operators. These are things. If we got power and bracket, how we solve that problem?
Have patience, no? That will come in your conversion. Here I'll not be using. If I get power also, same thing I should apply. Anywhere,
Okay,
if I get power as an operator, what I'll do? Pop top element and store it in operand 2. Pop top -1 and store it in operand 1. Operand 1, power, operand 2. Means, say suppose 2 is operand 1, 3 is operand 2. Okay, 2 is operand 1. Then what I should do? 2 power 3. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 8 will be the answer. Got it?
Okay.
Negative values?
If negative value in the question, how to identify it?
No, negative values will not work with this. It will not work because if you are giving negative values, then it will become 2 characters.
Yes, minus.
Getting my point? So it will work only with positive values. For evaluation, they will give only positive. Getting? But there might be chances that in result you may get negative. But in result, if you get negative also, that should not be an issue. Whatever value you will get, that you will store it in result, push that result. Clear? Online? All of you.
Yes.
Which extracurricular activities? You do it. Whatever you want to do, extra co-curricular activities. Sorry? Do it. I'm not saying anything about weekend, Weekend is meant to be enjoyed. But if I'm taking class, nothing can be done. You can enjoy, but I'll take class. Here. Next one is A star B plus C whole divided by D. I want you to convert it into postfix expression. Which one it is? Infix. Whenever infix will come, then your precedence that there's all these things will come. Now, if you want to evaluate, from where you will start? Means normally if you want to calculate 10 star 20 plus 30 divided by 40. First, which one you will do? Brackets you will start. Means 20 plus 30 you will do first. Okay. In infix, whenever infix is there, precedence will come into picture. But I'm not asking you to evaluate it. I'm asking you to convert it into postfix. Say now, however, you came to know how to evaluate postfix and prefix. Sir, why are you not doing infix, sir? Infix is it required?
No, sir.
Because normally infix is human understandable and no one will ask you to do for infix. Why they will not ask? Because it is human understandable and it is easy for you to calculate. If I give some values for this, can't you calculate it?
Yes.
Easily you can calculate 10 star 20 plus 30 divided by 40. Is it that difficult to do it?
No, sir.
You can do it normally. Just by your hand calculations, you can do it. Yes. So till now, any doubts? So now this push or pop I'll remove and I'll say it as, please observe, because same step I'll use it in converting it into prefix expression as well. If you get infix, how to convert it into prefix. In that also, same thing will come. Understanding? See here, all of you. Observe. Ultimately, as a result, what I need? I need postfix expression. Okay, while doing the postfix expression, what will be the condition of stack in each and every step, or each and every character is scanned? That I'll write as stack. Means I'll show the stack condition here, and that will be a postfix expression. Got it? So first time, whenever a character is scanned, please understand you should write a step whenever character, sorry, I mean to say is scanned. Add it to postfix expression directly. Yes. Yes, sir. Means what? A. Is it operand or not?
Yes.
Operand, directly attach it to. Got it? Sorry? I didn't get you. 20? Sorry. Something else was there in my mind. That value was there, so I have to come back. Please, sir, sorry. Here. Next is first one. Whenever you get operand, attach it to directly postfix expression. Okay. Next is whenever you get operator. Okay. What is this? If it is operator, push it to stack. I'm trying to keep it simple. I'm not writing some high-pitched statements here. I'm trying to keep it simple. Push it to stack. Next it is bracket. Bracket, open bracket is something like exceptional condition. Don't check anything, directly push. Getting my point? It does not mean that you should follow step by step here. Based on the condition you should follow. Okay. If open bracket is encountered, directly Push. No need to check anything. Directly push. Getting my point? Where you will push? Top of the stack only. Yes. Next it is. Then what I should do? Attach it. Next it is.
Star.
Sorry.
Operator, so you need to push.
Whenever operator you are getting, I just have to. Then
Post place.
got it. Then closing bracket will come. Whenever closing bracket is coming, star is there, open bracket, plus, and then closing bracket. Whenever closing bracket is encountered, here, if is encountered, pop all characters. I mean, ultimately only operators will be there, right? In stack, pop all the operators till open bracket is this is your closing bracket you encountered. Whenever you encounter closing bracket, what I should do? Till you get open bracket, keep popping everything. This will get cancelled, this will get cancelled. Means this you should not attach in your postfix expression. In your postfix expression, you will never see brackets. Only in your infix it will be there. Getting my point? So till there you should pop it. Means this is done. This one I'll pop and I'll attach it to. Did I write it? And attach it to postfix expression. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Next what?
Divide.
By this time, what is left out in your stack?
Plus star.
Only star is left out. This is popped, this is popped, this is popped. Only star is left out. So now whenever I get, division. Okay. So what I should do now, there comes a situation. Star is there, division you are getting. Should I push it on top of the stack? No, both are equal there. Getting my point? If it is less than or greater than what you should do, that I'll tell later. Keep that in your mind. But as of now, whenever you get it as equal, getting it?
Yes.
Whenever you get it as equal, whatever is there, first you pop it and attach it to postfix. Means, here is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Of course, I should not write it here, but however, I'll try to write this one here. Step 5. If stacks top characters precedence and scanned characters precedence is equal, then pop the top and then push scanned character. Didn't understand? Whenever, here only it is, whenever both are there, first what I should do? I have written if stacks top character, what is that? This one it was. Top character was this one. This I wanted to add. Okay. Stacks top character is star and scanned character is division. If both precedents are equal, then first you pop the top. Means pop this one and then attach it to postfix expression. And then here I missed. attached to postfix expression. It is not visible, I guess. I'll make it visible. No need to worry. Just understand the process. So I should pop it and attach it to postfix expression and then push it. What I should push now? Star. Slash. Star has been. Star is not there now. It has been attached here, but I am keeping it here. The reason is when you are copying, what you will copy? Empty space you will copy. For that reason, I am keeping it. So I have striked it off. Okay, strike means it is not there. But for your understanding, once while you are copying, you should understand it. For that reason, I'm keeping it. Okay. In one example, you will not get it completely. Sir, what if that encountered, sir? What if this encountered, sir? Patience. I'll explain all those cases. Okay. So now I add this one. Next, what? At in your stack, what is available as of now? Only divide is available. Star, is it available? Already it has been attached. Now if you get D, because that part already has been explained. Okay. And sir, all the characters are done, sir, but still something is left out in stack, sir. What I should do? Directly pop it and attach it to post. Clear? This part, is it clear for all of you? Online?
No, sir. Please once again the
Which
step
is-
5, sir.
Sorry?
Step 5.
See, I've clearly told you, I had this one. Those who didn't understand, listen. Here. Now I encountered this. In my stack, only star is there. Then what I should do? Because both the precedences are equal. Getting it? And why we will not check about anything about open bracket if you ask me. Open bracket is one such operator which is having highest priority. If you remember, I've written as first precedence, right? It is highest priority. So I'll not check with anyone. By default, that person only will be the first person. Directly push it. Okay. So now, when you are getting division and star is there, which means both are equal. Yes or no? Both are equal in precedence. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
What is the precedence for this star and division? 3. Third precedence is given for these two. If you remember what I've written in the beginning. Okay, 3. So whenever it is equal, first you pop this. Pop it. Once you pop it, what you should do? Attach it to postfix expression. Whenever stack stop character, that is this one, precedence, and scanned characters precedence, this one, both are equal. Then what I should do? Pop this top character and attach it to postfix expression and then push scanned character. Clear?
Yes.
If I keep doing multiple problems, then it will definitely be clear. This is very first. Have patience. Simple one it is being planned. If I do 2 more, then you will get clear picture. Clear till here? Okay. And at last, whatever if it is left out, then what you do? Directly pop it and attach it to your postfix expression. I mean, once you convert this infix expression to postfix, how it will look like? This. Sir, is it really postfix, sir? You check. Operator is in the beginning or ending? Ending, which means it is postfix. If here, operator is in the beginning or ending? It is in between. It is not in the beginning also, not in the ending also. If it is starting with operand and if it is ending with operand, which means it is infix. If it is ending with operator, postfix. If it is starting with operator, infix, prefix. Clear? Online, is that clear now?
Yes, sir.
Quickly copy this.
Just one
Yes.
question.
Please,
But what
please.
is the need for this conversion? Like I didn't get it. If you're able to do it like prefix, postfix separately, it says why do we convert infix to prefix and postfix?
It's a simple thing. Why exactly this conversion is required? If you ask me, simple answer is in interview they will give it. Okay. So more or less, not only that reason, you should also know, because sometimes you will get this kind of expression. Okay. And they will give you directly this question and they will ask you what is the output in your multiple choice. if you have seen, first round of interview, that is aptitude.
Yes.
In your aptitude, I believe some of you would have also seen technical code snippet. Some small part of code will be there. Complete program will not be there. Small code. Simple thing. I'll just give this. Okay, and I'll ask you, convert this into postfix. I'll give multiple options. A star, B star, C, I mean, whatever. Multiple options I'll give. One among them will be this one. So how will you choose it? You should do this. Now, some of you may think, sir, it is lengthier process. No. First time I'm doing and I'm explaining it properly. So it looks lengthier. But does it mean that it is really lengthier? No. It hardly takes a minute. Getting my point? What I should do? Whenever operator is coming, attach. Sorry, operand is coming, attach. Operator is coming, push. And if you're getting bracket, push directly. And if you're getting operand, push, I mean attach. Okay, again here, this is operator, push. This one is attach. This one is push. Push first, but once you push, you get to know that it is closing bracket. If closing bracket is coming, if closing bracket is coming in your infix, which means opening bracket is already pushed. Before only it has been pushed, then only you will get closing bracket, right? Without opening bracket, will you get closing bracket? Never. So then what you should do, until you get opening bracket, keep popping everything.
Yes.
What is there? Whatever operators will come in between opening and closing, just attach that there. यूज नहीं किया ना अभी तक, जब यूज करेंगे तब ना. अभी के लिए this much. Getting it? As I've already told, definitely I'll use power, I'll use other brackets, whatever. I'll use it. Have patience. This is for only very first program because this is quite different. Evaluation is very easy. Being frank, if you have seen evaluation of any expression, I've given evaluation of postfix as well as prefix. Both are very easy. But this is quite different. Different, I can say, not difficult. Got it? And there are multiple cases here. I have just explained few more I'll explain. But till before that, you just copy this. Is it done?
Yes, sir.
So next question, if I give, will you be able to solve it?
Yes, sir.
Simple one it is. I'll just give the question for all of you. So here, I'll just try to write it as A minus B star C minus D whole divided by E. Listen. Listen. I mean, you need not write it, just listen to it. Okay. Online, is it done? All of you? Quickly, I'll do it. Listen,
Yes, sir.
because I'll do it in one single stack. Okay. I don't want to write all this now. I'll do it in one single stack. If you miss, by looking at the diagram, if you think this time I'll understand, this time I'm giving separately. Now I'll write it in one stack.
Okay.
Okay. If you listen, you will understand. You don't listen, still, if you are capable, you will understand. This much I'll keep. Okay. Now you just observe, this is your nothing but I told you, right? It will be quick enough. It depends on how you solve it. You will think it is difficult, it is difficult. If you think it is easier, it is easier. As simple as that. So first character, A, directly. Minus, then I'll push. Without checking push. No need to see there also. Without checking directly push. B, attach, star, push, C, attach, minus. Now you are getting minus. Yes. Now you think and tell me whose priority is lesser, scanned element is minus. Is it less than or is it equal to or is it greater than? Whenever the scanned element's precedence is less than whatever is already there, what we should do is now here, I'll just write is don't change it there. Write that one condition as new condition. Okay, I mean to say, you just have to write same thing. Everything is same. Just write one more condition because you will not observe this part. Okay, if you write it here, you will remember either equals to or less than. Both you will not remember. So if possible, try to write it in one more condition as if it is less than also, you should follow the same thing. Okay, so what I should do then? This should be popped out and it should be attached to this one. And then you should insert. Sir, why you have inserted here, sir? Because this is not there now. I have popped it. Now it is empty, so I have attached it here, added here. Next what? Sorry, till where it is done? Minus is done and then D. And then whenever closing bracket is encountered, starting from closing bracket till open bracket, whatever is there, pop it out and attach. Got it? And then division. Now, what is at the top? This is also not there now. What is there? Minus. When it is greater. Okay. Now, the same thing. Okay. This. If it is greater, then push. That means now I got what? Divide. Now division I am getting, and what is there on top of stack? Minus is there. Sir, it is closing bracket, no, not closing bracket. Yes, minus. So minus and divide and minus, if I compare, who is greater? Divide is greater, means whatever you scanned is greater than whatever is already there in the top of the stack. Then what I should do? Push it. Got it? Push it. If it is less than or equal to, then what you should do? Pop the top, attach it to postfix expression, and then push the scanned character. Getting? But if it is less than, okay. Sorry, if it is less than or equal to, you should follow that step. If it is greater than, directly push it. Because greater than, as I've already told, if it is greater than, should I compare it with anything? Say, it is something like, you are having some priority. You are like MLA. Okay. And all of a sudden, chief minister will come. Who will get more priority? Should I compare this chief minister with MLA? Is it required? By default, chief minister will get in. Or otherwise, you compare it in this way. Assume that MLA is there and prime minister will come. In any day, is there any day wherein they will compare, are you greater or are you greater? By default, that prime minister will be greater, he will get in. Yes or no? Similar way. If it is greater, you need not compare. By default, you push it. If it is less than or equal to, then you pop it and attach it to. Clear? Only one time you should do. And again, sir, here this one is done, sir, but next operator is also, there is one, there might be chances that one more operator might be there. You should compare there also. Getting my point? Now you are getting division, right? I should compare division with minus. But assume that along with minus, plus is also there. Assume here plus is there. It is not there, but you assume. If it is there, then what I should do? First I compare division with plus. It is greater. Then I should push. But assume that whatever scanned is less than, for less than I cannot show, then I should swipe it. Here something like plus is coming, and here it is star, and here it is division. Yes, whatever scanned is less than whatever is there. Then what I should do? Pop this one, attach it. But next one, sir, directly will I leave it, sir? No, next one also you compare. Okay, whenever it becomes, this one becomes greater, then only you should add it. Getting? However, this is not there. This is also not there.
Before only we used to pop that thing as multiplication division.
See here already. In next case, you will see that. What I'm trying to say is already on the top of the stack, you are having star, you assume. On top of star means I'll get something like this. B star. On top of star, I'll get, sorry, I got plus here. Okay. After plus C is there, and then I'll get, no. Plus is what I'm getting, and already star is there. That condition I already have seen, but only once I have seen. Okay, so I wanted multiple cases. So whenever new character you are getting, and already there is something which is bigger than what you are getting, then what I should do? Take this out. Sorry. This one is lesser, right? Whatever you got is less than or equal to. In both the cases, take this out, attach it. Okay, you will see. In next question also you will see that. Next what? At last what I got? Plus I didn't got. What I got is division I got. Division compare it with minus. Then what I should do? Division is greater. Then push it. Now what is left out? Is there any characters left out? E. All completed. All the characters are done. Then what I should do? Pop all one by one. From top you should pop, not from bottom. From top. What is that? I mean, this is done. This is done. Now, is it postfix expression? Definitely yes. Here. If I give one more, can you guys do it now? Because now the logic remains same. If I give power, if I give any other thing, does not matter, it remains same. Clear? So first, online, are you guys clear with this? Is it visible first of all? Which part is not visible? I believe it is visible. Attach. After attach, it is not visible. It is visible now. This question is done, right? Next one I'll give. Can you guys solve it? Answer? Which one? No, nothing will be changed. This one, right? What will be changed? If it is less than or if it is equal to. If means whatever top's character I have written. Okay. See, first I'll compare. When I say less than or equal to, I'll compare scanned character with top. This should be the sequence. Here, whatever I have written, don't worry about that. This should be the sequence. If this is the case, what I should do? Whatever you are scanning, okay, that if it is less than or equal to whatever is there already, then what I should do? Pop it, attach it. That only I have written, right? Pop the top. It is right only. If this is the case, pop the top and attach it to postfix expression. By chance, scanned operator is greater, means star is coming, and at the top, minus is there. Don't you think scanned character is greater there? Star is coming. Here, this case, star is coming, okay, and already minus is there. Then what I should do? I need not check, directly push it, because this is greater in that case. Okay, by any chance, if it is lesser, if the person who is coming here, this is coming. Yes, this is coming. When this is already there and this is coming, this is greater, you push it. But now this is there. Now star is there, I'm getting minus. In that case, what I should do? Whatever is greater, see, it is something like PM is already there in the queue, assume, and you are getting MLA as new person. Then what you will do? First, you will allow PM. Same way, you should remove this one and you should attach it to here, getting, and then you allow MLA to be in the queue. Keep it in that way. Getting my point or not? Already some person is there, MLA is there, and you will get Prime Minister. Then what you will do? You will give access to Prime Minister. I mean, you will push that Prime Minister to top. Getting my point? Or otherwise, if the other cases, Prime Minister is already there. This case I have told, which was the first case? First, assume that Prime Minister is there, okay, and MLA is coming. Now what I will do? Prime Minister only will be allowed. Now Prime Minister is already there. Okay, I mean, how can I say? That example was good enough here. See, this example only you keep it. Here in this case, this is the person, okay, who is having less priority. And you got star. Star is like highest priority. When you get highest priority, whom will you give chance? Highest priority only. So I'll add him into the stack. Okay, but however, this person is already there in the queue. I mean, in the list, it is already there. And I'm getting less than that. Then what I should do? That person who is already there in the list, you allow him to go inside. Means add him to this expression. Got it? One more if I do, you will get it. Quickly copy this. Don't copy it, try to write it. Already done. Next one I didn't give. Hungry? Feeling hungry or not? No? You want me to continue class then? So it is A by B minus C plus D, and then star E minus A star C. Can you do this, all of you? See, one thing you should remember. Listen, all of you. Listen. Just remember one case. Whatever you are getting, okay, if it is greater than that case, you remember. Then push it. Push it. To the top, you push it. In other case, if it might be less than or if it is equal to, then I'll compare and attach it to postfix. Pop it, attach it to postfix, and then push it. Got it? One case you remember. If it is greater, I should push. Or otherwise, the other one, if you want to remember that part. Try this one, you will get an idea. If you don't get, I'll solve it. Done with this. What is the output? I mean, you should have got some expression, right? What is that?
ABC minus D plus E. EA minus cos B star.
Perfect. Then no need for me to solve.
Yes. Sir.
Minus you didn't got.
What's that?
AB, then I did right.
Listen. Stop. Listen. See, if you follow the steps properly, perfect output. On to the mark. There is no second thought in that. First one is open bracket. Then what I should do? Push directly. When there are elements also, I'll directly push. When there are no elements, should I check? No point. Next one is A. Next one is division. As you are getting division, as I've already told, if there is open bracket, you need not check anything. Push. Because this is of highest priority. Okay. Next what?
bracket, sir.
One more open bracket. What I should do?
Open bracket. Yes.
Push it. Then,
And B postfix. B.
sorry,
So into that postfix.
B. And then,
Minus.
yes,
Yes, sir. C postfix.
Plus.
It's equally. So.
sorry. When it is equal, then what I should do? Pop it. As I've already told, greater case you remember. Greater means push. If it is less than or equal to, in any one of these cases, now it is equal to. Some of you had doubt, right? Now these two are equal. Plus I am getting and minus is already there. Then what I should do? Whatever is there already, you pop it out and attach it here. Now it is not there. And then you push it. Got it? That is the reason I'm saying greater case, you remember, that is you should push. Greater case means if it is greater, directly push. If it is less than or if it is equal, first you pop and then push. Getting? So next, this part is done. Okay. Close bracket as soon as you get it. Till then you pop it. Next, another closing bracket as soon as you get it. Till here. Till you get another opening bracket. Keep popping it. What is left out? Only divide is left out. Next. There is nothing now. There is nothing. Now, I cannot start from here, so I'm starting here. Star is done. Open bracket, I need not check. E, attach, minus, sorry, just wait. Compare first. Okay, minus is lesser. See, when it is open bracket, you need not compare. You told minus, I thought like. So whenever it is open bracket at the top, you need not compare. Or whenever you want to insert, you need not compare. Getting my point? With respect to open bracket, you don't do anything, directly push it. Open bracket will work only when you get closing bracket. So starting from closing bracket till open bracket, everything you pop and attach it to postfix. Here I got minus, but closing opening bracket is there. Should I change anything? Directly push it. Minus is done. Then you got A, attach it. Then closing bracket as soon as you get it. What I should do? Closing bracket as soon as you get, pop whatever is there till opening bracket. Then minus also I should. Then star I am getting. Is there anything? Star is already there. When it is equal, what I should do? Pop this, attach it, and then you got C. What is left out here? This is the expression that you should get. It will not take time. You will think it is taking time. No. If you want, I can speed it up and show. Getting my point?
Writing, coding, we are working all the elements inside the open bracket. It will come open bracket, close bracket also in close.
No.
For that,
You should write while loop. If you remember, while will work until and unless the condition is true. So what you should write? While character scan is not equal to open bracket. Okay. You encountered this one, that is closing bracket. Then till you find while character scanned is, character in the stack is not equal to open bracket. Till then you keep removing that and adding it to this thing, postfix expression. Till you get this one, everything you pop, attach. Got it? Online? Fortunately or unfortunately, I may have to leave now. Another 10 minutes is there. Okay. You remember this one? If you don't want to have food, don't have food. You prepare. You have your food. I'm not saying don't have. You have it. But if you don't want to have, sit back and try to think about. Infix to prefix. Being frank, just the way we have done in evaluation, right? Evaluation of postfix we have done. And prefix what we have done? Small changes. In a similar way, here also.
First, we have to insert the
Nah.
very
Nah. Done. I'll not say now. It simply means that I'll not say now. First, you try whatever you want to try. Then at last I'll say. Does not mean I don't want to explain. I want to explain, but this is your lunch break. I don't want to spoil it. I'm just leaving 10 minutes early. Enjoy your time. Okay, take your 10 minutes and do some party and all. Aram se, and then come back after 1 hour. 1 hour, 10 minutes. Okay. I think 1 hour, 10 minutes is also not there, I guess. 1 hour, 9 minutes is there. I'll take 1 more minute and then I'll leave. Then you can enjoy 1 hour, 8 minutes. Okay. Getting my point?
Yes.
Clear till here? So next one I'll do probably after that. I think graph and trees will start.
Okay.
Okay. In that, nothing much is there, being frank, because
Only greater than.
more or less greater than or less than. There is binary search tree. Okay, one concept. And in binary search tree, first thing you should know what you mean by binary search tree. And second thing, which are the tree traversal techniques? Getting it? Now here, if there is one postfix expression or prefix expression, how to evaluate you came to know, right? In a similar way, if there is one tree, how exactly you can traverse all the elements?
Yes.
Traverse means what? Visiting all the elements. How can you visit? No, it depends. It depends on which particular traversal you are following. In Java, I have told, I guess. In Java, it is different. In collections concept, you guys also will see that. But however, as of now, however, if you want to understand there in Java class, you should know here. It will be easy for you in Java class. Okay, it will come anyways in your last concept of core Java, that is collections. Called as tree set. Okay, there it will come. Don't ask me what do you mean by tree set, sir. I'm not here to explain tree set today. Here I'm explaining here to explain the concepts of data structure. Probably, if I'm not wrong, I just have to check. This will complete your concepts of not data structure. Still, data structure is there. I'm saying up to linked list, stack, queue, basic data structures are done. I mean, I trying to say that linear data structures. Charge I'll put it, not an issue. Charge I'll put. Sorting I'll do it in programming. Okay, because there is nothing much in that. 2 types of sorting I'll teach you. Not 2 types, others also I'll teach. But as of now, 2 types is important for you. I mean, at least one you should know for writing any program. Okay, keeping all that aside, I was just trying to say something. You asked me some other question. I mean to say linear data structures are done. Array, stack, queue, linked list. These are linear data structures. And the others are tree and graph, non-linear. That part I'll start today. Whether I'll be able to wind it up or not, I'm not sure. I'll give my best because there is nothing much. Traversals are there in both tree as well as graph. Traversals you should know. Along with that, few more programs are there here under small program. That also. Fine. As of now, I'll wind it up. Just a minute, madam. I'll wind up this. Have your lunch and come back by 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you don't come back, I'll not stop. I'll continue. Madam.